What's up, guys? So I said we were going to do some cool stuff with this icon right here. And what I'm thinking is doing an animation. So I found this pretty cool library right here. And I'm thinking about doing one of these animations. Maybe like a bounce or maybe a pulse would be pretty cool. The library we're going to be using is React Native Animatable, which we need to install. So just copy that, bring this over here. Do yarn add, and we'll add that to our thing. And then this is kind of the example we're going to go off of right here. So I'm just going to copy this and let's create a new component that we're going to do this for. So this is going to be in animated icon.js. And export defaults. We can get rid of, sorry, I'm going to close some tabs here. We can import our animated icon here. Oops, and it should be at the top actually. Oh, can't find it. Might have been because we just added it. And then we'll render our animated icon here. And then we need to set an on press because we're passing request bid here from Redux. And I don't really want to tell animated icon about Redux. It doesn't need to know about it. So we can actually just remove the on press here and copy that. Well, let's copy it first. And then we can do all our stuff over here. Alright, and we can also clean this up. What are we getting errors about? Statement ended, return. So the thing in the middle should be an icon. And then on press, we should just be calling our this.props.onPress that we're getting from what we pass in. We'll call this animate icon. Extends, import React from React. So we have React.component. And we don't need a touchable. Okay, so there's two things when this icon is pressed. We're gonna do, we're gonna reference this view and bounce it. So let's make this into a function that can do more than one thing. So let's drop on press down to the next line. It's getting quite long anyway. I'm not sure what is the convention for styling multi-line with a function like this. I'm guessing it's something like this. And then let's change this. We're 2 spaces here. And then we're going to do this .refs.view.bounce. And we'll set 800. We don't need to do anything when it's finished, so we don't have to worry about that. We can remove that. Tab that over, and then we can import icon from native base. See what using string literals for ref attribute is depreciated. No string refs. Alright, not sure what that's about. Looks like it's an ESLint thing. We'll worry about that later. Using this.refs is depreciated. Okay, nice. So it looks like the way this library kind of does things is kind of depreciated. But this is their example. I wonder if they have another example. They have more examples. Are you using the ref here? Yep, looks like it's always using ref. So Not sure what that's about. And also notice how the ref, I'm doing it from inside the animated view. Not sure if that'll cause problems. Let's find out. So refresh this. Bam. Oh yes, that bounce worked. Cool. So now that we know that bounce works, let's play with a couple other of these animations. We can just swap them in. I was thinking pulse might look kind of cool. That is pretty sweet. I'm just gonna ignore ESLint here with those errors because it seems to be working. I think it's just the library. Maybe a tada. That one looks kind of interesting. See how that looks? Doesn't look that great. I think my favorite is actually the pulse. It's kind of subtle and just pops it. A little bit off. Bam. I wonder if we can. I'm assuming if I make that like double, it gets double as big. No, it actually seems slower and more subtle. What if I go to 400? Nope. I don't know what exactly this number is doing. I think 800 looks the best though. So maybe I'll just leave it as that. Pump it. Or let's look at bounce one more time. See which one. Actually, maybe I like bounce better. It's kind of nice because it's like you're shaking the money out of it. Okay, I think I'll leave it with bounce. You guys can play with the animations some more yourselves, change it up, see which one you like the best. And yeah, I'll leave this for now for our animated icon. It's looking pretty sweet. And I'll see you guys in the next video.